A very good morning to all of you children. In today's session, we are going to learn about vowels and consonants. Okay, so we have already discussed about the vowels and consonants in the previous class. So we are familiar with these vowels and consonants. Okay, so we know how many vowels are there. Arav, come on, tell me. Arav, how many vowels are there? Arav, Arun? No, how many vowels are there? Vowels. First of all, five. Okay, 5 vowels are there. Okay, we have 5 vowels in the English alphabet, and these 5 vowels are called the special alphabet in English language. Okay, so these vowels, there are 5 vowels. I'm repeating it again. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet, and these vowels are called as a special letters. Now, what are they? Who can give me the answer? Yes, Arav, can you tell me what are they? Yes? What are they, Arav?
A-E-I-O-U.
Very good, Arav. It is A-E-I-O-U. When you think of the vowels, think of your fingers. Okay, how many fingers are there in your hand? There are 5 fingers. Okay, similarly, how many vowels are there? Similarly, how many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. What are they? A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. So, remaining how many letters are there in English alphabet? Who can give me the answer? Ashwajit. Come on, Ashwajit. Ashwajit is not there. Just now I saw him. Yes, Ashwajit. Your name is Ashwajit. Okay. Come on, tell me. Ashwajit, are you able to unmute it? No? No? Okay then. Afrin? Afrin? Are you there, Afrin? Come on, tell me remaining how many letters are there in English alphabet? 5 are vowels. Remaining how many letters are there? Is louder, please. How many letters are there? I couldn't hear. How come? Totally how many letters are there in English alphabet? Who can give me the answer?
25.
Not 25. Together, how many letters are there in English alphabet? How many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes. Who can give me the answer? Yes, Shiva.
26.
26. Very good. It is 26. Okay. So there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay. Every languages uses a set of letters. So this set of letters is called its alphabet. So in English language, there are 26 alphabet. How many alphabets are there, children? How many letters are there in English alphabet? Once more, let us say it. How many letters are there in English alphabet? Come on, tell me. All of you tell me.
26.
Okay. So you have to know, children. Yes.
26.
Yes, 26. So every language, whatever the language may be, uses a set of letters. Okay, so English language, we use a set of letters, and these are called its alphabet. They are its alphabet. And in English, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Is that clear? So among that, there are 5 special letters are there, and they are called vowels. That is A, E, I, O, U. Now, my question, the next question is, Zara, well, how many letters are there? Remaining how many letters are there, Zara?
21.
21. Okay, what are they called? Very good, Zara. What
Consonants.
are they? Consonants. Very good. They are called as consonants. Okay, so vowels and consonants together make English alphabet. Is that clear? 5 vowels and 21 consonants together make English alphabet. These vowels and consonants are good friends. Is that clear? Okay. These vowels and consonants are good friends. They are good friends. Only with the help of vowels and consonants, we can make words. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. If they should be great friends, only then we can make friends. Only with vowels or only with consonants, we can't make words. Is that clear? Okay. So vowels and consonants, they should be linked together. Linked means they should be linked together to make words. So have all of you understood? Vowels and consonants are equally very, very important in order to make words in English alphabet. Okay. Okay, children? So vowels and consonants, they are very good friends. They make together, they make words. Okay. Then one more thing I wanted to tell you about the vowels is, in every word in English language, you can find a vowel in it. Okay. That is a speciality of this vowel. Okay, in every word, whichever word in English you take, there will be at least one vowel in it. Okay. So have we all of you understood what is a special, that's why we call them as special words. Okay. So these are the special letters. So vowels are called as the special letters. In every word, we do find at least one vowel in it. Okay. These are the extra information just to know how important vowels are. Okay. So have all of you understood? Just we have to know there are 26 letters in English alphabet and there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. And let's move on to today's chapter. Are you all ready? Yes? Yes. Yes. All of you take your workbook and get ready. So I hope, yes, we'll move on to the class. So we are in worksheet. So we know vowels. These are called as the special letters in English language. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, and they are called as the vowels. So A, E, I, O, U is like a 5 fingers. And these are the special letters in English alphabet and they are called vowels. I hope that is very, very clear to everyone. Now, remaining, there are 21 consonants. So these are the consonants. I hope the Y is missing over here. Okay, so let's move on to the next. So this is what you can find it in your workbook. So I wanted all of you to open your workbook to page number 1. Okay, whichever the page is. So it is already written there. All of you keep it open. So how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters. Okay. So out of these 26 letters, 5 are vowels. And these vowels are called as the special letters in English alphabet. And remaining, there are 21 consonants. Okay, these vowels and consonants, they are very good friends because only vowels and consonants, with the help of vowels and consonants, should be linked together. Okay, in order to make words. I hope we have already completed the exercise 1. Okay, have all of you completed exercise 1, children? Have all of you completed exercise 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have completed it. Yes, okay then.
Yes.
So we have completed with exercise. The first exercise is all about, we have to write the vowels and consonants in our workbook. I hope that exercise is over. Okay, so we are familiar with the vowels now. Once more I repeat, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and the remaining, there are 21 consonants and they are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And these are the consonants. Okay, now let's move on to the next thing. So as I've told you, vowels and consonants are good friends. Okay, vowels and consonants are good friends. Vowels help consonants in order to make words. Now we're moving on to the words now. Okay, as I've already told you, without vowels, you cannot make words. Without vowels, you cannot make words. In every word, you can find a vowel in it. Okay, so for example, we can take this word as such, doctor. So in this word, doctor, there are two syllables. How many syllables are there? Two syllables. In every syllable, you can find a vowel in it. Now I'm coming to the question, what is a syllable? Syllable means the way you pronounce the word. Doctor. So in doctor, how many syllables are there? Two. Now we are moving on to, we are going to give a rhythm to this word. Okay, this is just an introductory part. As we go to the next chapter is a word for us. So in that, I will give you the explanation properly. Now, just we need to know how vowels and the consonants help each other in order to make words. Okay, so doctor. Have you understood? So how many syllables are there? How many syllables are there? Come on, tell me. My dear children, come on, tell me how many syllables are there? Nothing, is there? Two. It's nothing but how we pronounce the word. That is called as a syllable. So in this word, doctor, there are two syllables. That is the way we pronounce the word. So in every syllable, you can find a vowel in it. That's why I've told you vowels are very important. They are called as the special letters. Why means only 5 vowels are there. But if you take a dictionary and just you check over it, in every word you can find a vowel in it. Okay, have you understood? Okay, only 5 vowels are there. But these 5 vowels you can find in every word in English language. Is that clear? So that is the special of the vowels. So that is to make you understand. That's why I've told you. Not only in every word, but you can find it in every syllable too. In this, doctor, there are 2 syllables. Can't you find a vowel in it in every syllable? Okay, so doc is 1 syllable and ter is a 2nd syllable. So in every syllable, you can find a vowel in it. Okay, okay, have all of you understood? This is an extra information for you children, just to make you understand that vowels are very, very important. Okay, now let's move on to the next word here. Mother, mother. So how many syllables are there? How many syllables are there? Come on, tell me. Just to make you understand that.
One.
How come? Two syllable. Very good. Very good. 2 syllable. Okay. So the next chapter is all about these. Okay. For this, I'm just giving you an introduction. So mother. So this syllable and this syllable has 1 vowel in it. Is that clear? So in every syllable and in every word, you can find a vowel in it. So the vowels are very, very important. Have you understood? Okay, mother. So there are 2 syllables in this word. Now let's move on to the next word. What is this word is? What is this word is, children? Come on, tell me. Read the word for me. All of you, together.
Garden.
Now tell me. Garden. How many syllables are there? How many syllables are there? How do we pronounce the word? How do we pronounce the word? Garden. So it has 2 syllables. Garden. So it has 2 syllables, and in every syllable you can find a vowel in it. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, so that is what I wanted to make you understand. So vowels are so important in English language. Okay, now what is this word, children? What is this word? What is this word? Come on, tell me. I've unmuted you all. Come on, all of you. How do you pronounce this word? Have I not unmuted you all? Yes, come on. So, how many syllables are there? Very good. There are 2 syllables. So, how do you pronounce the word table? Table. So, it has 2 syllables. Okay. So, it has, even though it's a 2-letter word here, it is called a syllable. So, here, bill is a second syllable. So, it has 2 syllables in it. So, in every syllable, you can find a vowel. Okay. So that is what I wanted to make you understand, that vowels are very, very important. In every word, you can find a vowel in it. Okay, so that's all about vowels. Now let's move on to the exercise part of it. Okay, so I hope it's very clear to all of you. Now let's move on to the exercise. All of you take your workbook. Here in this exercise, what we have to do is, we have to insert a vowel or vowels in order to make a word. Some vowels are missing in all the words. Okay, some vowels are missing in all the words. We have to insert the vowels in it in order to make words. Are you all ready? Yes. All of you take your pencils in your hand. Get ready. Yes, we'll start. Yes. Daksha, come on, Daksha. We'll start with Daksha. Daksha, the first word. Which letter has to be inserted there?
F-A.
F-A, very good. F-A-C-E, phase. Okay, I'll take a different color for you. This color is not so good. Yes. Okay. Now, it is phase, very good, phase. All of you please do write it in a cursive, phase. Okay. Now let's move on to Malavika. Very good, Daksha. Malavika, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do the second word for me.
T-E-L-L.
No. Second word. Second, number 2.
Dash.
Ah.
P-E-N.
Okay, so which vowel? We have to insert vowel or vowels. So which vowel has to be inserted there? Anybody knows the answer? If anybody knows the answer, you can give me the answers.
Open.
Open. It is so.
Open.
Vowel has to be inserted there. Which vowel has to be inserted there? Which vowel? It is Malavika. If it's open, what's the spelling of open? Unmute it, Malavika.
O.
Oh, very good. It is O. Okay, O. So please do write it. Very good. Okay, so this is a way. So here, some vowels are missing in these words. Okay, some vowels are missing in all these words. Vowels are missing. So we have to insert a vowel in order to complete these words. Okay. So let's move on to the next participant is Ansil. Ansil, come on. Ansil, are you there? Unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do the third one for me.
S-H dash T.
T, yes. S-H-T. So,
U.
yes, U is right. Shut. Or we can write there O. Shut. Or we can write there shut. What you said is right. Shut the door. Shot dead. So these two are words. Either we can write there O or you can write there U. Both are right. Very good answer. Okay. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, answer. Ansel, smile. What happened? Okay, now let's move on to Zara. Yes, Zara. How are you, Zara? Come on, we'll move on to the fourth word, Zara. Zara? I hope all of you are writing. You can do it during the session itself, children. Please do keep your book open, take your pencils in your hand and write it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, Zara. Come on, tell me.
Tall.
Yes, tall. So,
T
ah,
A
yes.
L.
Very good. T-A-L-L, tall. Yes, that is the spelling of the word. So A, vowel letter, that is A is missing there. So we have inserted it. T-A-L-L, tall. Very good, Zara. Now let's move on to Dia. Dia. Dia, come on, unmute it. And we move on to the fifth word, Dia. Come on, tell me.
Fifth.
Y-O. Come on, read the word letters.
Y O.
Which letter to be inserted there? To be fixed in there?
Your.
Yes, you are. Very good. It is you. What you said is right. Okay. Well done. So it is your. Y-O-U-R. Your book. Is it your book? Did we say it? Yes. Is it your book? Okay. Yes. So it is your.
Yes.
Y-O-U-R. Very good, Dia. Now let me move on to Dia. CS is over. Yes, two Dias are there in 2E. So Dia KP, come on. Come on, do the sixth word. Dia, unmuted Dia. Dia KP. Yes, you're not able to? No one is there? Yes.
Milk.
Yes. What is that? Sixth word is?
Milk.
Milk. Yes, it is. Which letter to be inserted there?
M-I-L-K.
Very good. It is I-M-I-L-K. I hope the word is written properly. If the word is not written, some letters are missing in that. I don't know whether you have the new version of it. I have the old book. So there L is missing over there. If it's L is missing, please do write it there. Okay. So when yes. M-I-L-K. Very good, Dia.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Suresh, no? Suresh, come on. Do the seventh word.
I.
Yes, what you said is right. Wish or wash, whatever it is. Okay, wish is also right. What you said is right. Or we can write there, wash. W-A-S-H. Either I or A. Whichever letter you wanted, you can write it. Whether it is I, wish, yes. Wish.
Wish.
Wash your hands. Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll move on to the next person, Prithvi. Prithvi, come on, Prithvi. Do the eighth word.
O.
Yes, O. Down. Yes, it is down. Very good, Prithvi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now let's move on to, I hope all of you are writing. Veda, come on, Veda. Veda, unmute it, Veda. Are you able to unmute it? Are you able to unmute it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. What is that word is? O-P-N. So which letter to be inserted there, Veda? O-P, just now we saw it, the similar word. So it is very easy there. O-P-N. So which vowel to be inserted there in order to make a word? Only 5 vowels are there. So which vowel has to be inserted there, Veda? Come on, try it out. Try. Veda's not there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, tell me the answer. Even if it's wrong, it's okay. You can look at the second word. We have already seen it. The same word is here, ninth word. So which letter to be inserted there?
O.
O is already there. O, P, then. O, P. Is where the O, P.
N.
E. Okay, O, P, E, N. Open. Okay, is that clear? O, P, E, N. Open. Here we have seen that word here. Here we have to insert O. But here in this case, we have to insert E. E is missing there. So please do it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll move on to the next person. Okay, I'll start with Ryan. Ryan, come on.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ryan. Ryan Ramesh. Do the 10th word.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Word is I.
Yes, very good, Ryan. It is I. Union. It is I. Very good. Very good. Okay. Yes. Now the next chance goes to Abel. Abel, come on, Abel. Unmute it, Abel. Unmute it. Yes. Now it's unmuted. Yes, come on. Say the answer.
Person.
Person. Very good, Abel. It is person. So which letter? Tell ma'am which
O.
letter. Oh, very good. It is O. Come on, write. All of you, please do write it. Very good, Abel. Yes, Asif. It is Asif, no? Or Ashif? Asif?
Ashif.
Asif. Okay, Shafiq. Asif, Shafiq, come on, do the 12th word for me.
O.
Oh, very good. What is that word is? If you insert O, how do you pronounce the word, Asif?
Sound.
Sound. Very good. Sound. Yes. Very good. Very good, Asif. And Mia, I hope all of you are writing. Please do it, okay? And Mia, come on, do the 13th word for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which letter, and Mia?
E.
What is that? And Mia? U. Yes, it is U. Pupil. Okay. Pupil. Pupil. It is U-I-P-U-P-I-L. Pupil means student. Pupil. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Nainiga, come on, Nainiga. Yes, Nainiga, come on, do the 14th word for me.
U.
How come? 14th word, Nainiga. It is S-T.
S-T-U-N-D.
S-T-U-N-D is there. In a classroom, what you'll do, we'll stand. So what's the spelling of stand there? We'll go for the easiest word, okay? S-T, stand, what's the spelling? S-T-A-N-D, stand, not you. It is A, okay? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
S-T-A-N-D, stand. S-T-A-N-D, okay? Yes. Now let's move on to the 15th word. I hope all of you are writing. As we do it in the session, children, I wanted all of you to do it. So it'll be easier for you. Okay? No double work. You can do it. But the notes, I'll be sending it to you. So you have a weekend so that you can complete it. Smruti, did I call you? No, no. Smruti, come on. Do the 15th word for me, Smruti. Yes. Smruti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, do the 15th word.
Teach.
Very good. Teach. Children, while you write it in your workbook, see that you write it very, very neatly. Okay. So teach. 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 Very good. All of you turn on your videos, okay, children? Ayan, come on. Ayan, do the 16th word. Ayan. Ayan. Yes, 16th word. Which letter to be inserted there?
E.
E, very good. It is teeth. Oh, yes. So it is E, teeth. Very good, Ayan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Devadash. Come on, Devadash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do the 17th word. Devadash.
L-E-N.
Yes, so CLE-N. So what do we do then? CL. Every day we do it in our house. What do we do? CLE. Who can give me the answer? Raise your hands. CL. Yes, Nainika. Nainika. Huh? What you said is right. Come on. CL.
Clean.
Yes, very good. It is clean. CLE. Which letter, Nainika?
N.
A. Very good. It is A. Yes.
Clean.
Yes, clean. Very good. Okay. Now let's move on to the next word. That is the 18th word. Prithvi, I've called you, no? Veda, I've called. Daksha, did I call you? Daksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
You call me.
Okay. Ansel, come on. Ansel, I hope I didn't call him. Ansel, come on, do the 18th word.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do the 18th word.
R-T.
Yes, so.
E.
Yes. D?
E.
Is it E or is it E? Is it E? Come on. D? I it is. Okay, dirt. D-I-R-T, dirt. So I wanted all of you to learn, go through these words well. Okay. So all these words, you have to go through it very well. We have to learn up all these words well. Okay, so let me move on to these words once again. The first word is face, open, shut or shut, whatever it is. Tall, your, milk, wish or wash, down, open, union, person, sound, pupil, stand, teach, teeth, clean, and dirt. So these are the words we have completed in today's session. Okay, children. So I hope it's time for us to wind up today's session. I hope all of you have understood how important vowels are. So vowels and consonants together make words. Okay, so we need to know that vowels are called, that's the reason vowels are called as a special words. So with this, we are going to wind up today's session, children. Hope to meet you all soon in the next session. Bye-bye, children. Okay. Bye, children. Thank you, all of you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye. Thank you, children. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
ma'am.
All of
Bye,
you.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.